Hello, it's Fiona here, and welcome to video 1 of the Vision to Success workshop follow-up. Now, these videos are short, to the point, and the whole point is to get you back looking at your workbook, back focusing on a daily or weekly basis so that you're refining the goals you set. The more you can refine the goals, the more chance you have of really getting clear on what you want to achieve, but more importantly, the actions you have to take. So what I'd like you to focus on this first video is, have you completed this page here? This is the page, it's page 3 of the workbook, and it's areas that you want to focus on for your vision board. Now, if you remember what we did, we worked with the wheel. So you put areas in the wheel. You may have added extra areas in there, or you may have decided to change some of the areas that you picked when we were actually working live. But the question here is, ask yourself, what would a score of 100% look, sound, and feel like in each of these areas? All I would like you to do is put in a short sentence describing how it would look and feel when you have achieved this. So I am, I have. And by doing that, that just gives you a quick reference as to how it looks and feels. Remember, the brain doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. So the more you can start focusing on I have and I am, or I have done, the more your brain goes, right, we're going to get you there. So make sure you fill that in, and I'll see you in the next video.